clean?
It's clean.
So bubbly.
Doing a great job. Blowing her off the bike.
So bubbly.
So windy. Her name's not Windy, it's windy outside. It's windy out. Get it? It's Windy's. I have really bad jokes.
Doing a great job. It's so bubbly. Oh.
All right, so we're here cleaning the rides. She's cleaning mine off. We just went to your local Rally's car wash. Rags blowing everywhere.
Oh my gosh. Oh shit.
Oh, that's a big guy. 30-mile-an-hour gust of winds that are blowing everything everywhere, blowing her off the bike. Problem with today is it's so nice out, everybody wants to clean their car. I just try to use the local car wash with the brush that spits out soap. So far, pretty good. Crevices, making sure we don't have any spots that dry. Grease over here. Got the pegs on. By now, I would have released a peg or a passenger riding video. It would be right here. Here she is. Currently just used high pressure spray, so if you have a high pressure wash at home, that's all you need. Did have a lot of bugs in my headlight, and hopefully now they're gone.
It's clean?
It's clean. But what do you use to clean your motorcycle? We're gonna use a tire shine by Chemical Guys. Beware, don't get it on anything other than your tires, because they'll be glossy. Ooh. But want to know how you clean your motorcycle. Do you clean it with Chemical Guys stuff, or do you have the hose that actually sprays the soap? What I'm real nitpicky about is the spokes of your wheels, and I always get comments on how do you keep that clean? A rag and a little damp water. That's it. Get in here with a microfiber, each one of them. Give it time, give it love. Just getting every crevice with a microfiber rag. You can pick a pack up of these for like $10 on Amazon. You can get probably 20 of them. I'd like any secrets that you guys have to clean out your interior rim. Inspection time. She says, oh, you're gonna look at it and find so many flaws. It's shiny. Just cleaning that tail, cleaning the undercarriage, if you know what I mean. It makes sense. God, I need to get these off. I think that about does it. We're gonna ride back. Tell me how you guys actually clean your bike. I don't even know if you can hear me. At the car wash. Doing a car wash.